Hello and welcome everyone to this unique April 2007 online investor mining conference. And I welcome you to the world of our company, Mininginteractive Corp. Mininginteractive represents a strong, diversified portfolio of 5 mining exploration companies that we believe have a great chance for success. We are proud to represent these member companies as their investor relations specialist. And after you have listened and viewed this video, we invite you to meet or talk with us at any time about these companies and the risk-reward investment opportunity they represent. But first, let's talk about the long-term secular bull market in the metals. The bull market that we find ourselves in today and the importance this secular bull market plays in my life and your lives today, and which will continue for several years to come. The trend is always your friend. We are in the 7th year of a 17-year secular bull market. That bull market is well on its way. And like I said, it's the 7th year, and we probably have 5 to 10 more years to go. In the financial markets, however, and its indexes, for example, in the Dow, we are in a major bear trend. We at Mininginteractive are not advisors, but we have called the major turnaround points in the markets. We were able to do that because we studied, for instance, Martin Armstrong's economic confidence model, together with reports from many respected analysts worldwide. For example, we at Mininginteractive predicted the low in gold in the mid-1990s. We predicted the August 2002 US dollar index breakdown. We said in May 2005, in May, buy gold, then go away. Our reader friends that listened did quite well during that year. In May of 2006, however, we said in May, sell gold, then go away. Many analysts did not agree with us, but gold came off some 150 US dollars going into October. And again, we were correct. Last year, and again on February the 18th and February the 25th of this year, we warned our reader friends of the breakdown in the financial markets, which we said would break down exactly on February 27th, 2007. And on cue, that's exactly what happened. It all started that day in China in the early morning, and financial markets around the world followed. Yes, February the 27th of this year was the start of the liquidity crisis. As my friend Ian Woods in Switzerland says, February 27th was just a wake-up call. February 27th was the start of what will now turn into a downtrend. We consider that the Dow may very well be well below 10,000 before it's over. This latter part of April, the next leg down will begin. And we expect further selling pressure in May, and then again a bit of a summer rally, and then another low going into October. Now that may not exactly play out that way, but that's the way we see it. We see it going the same as 1929. We feel that is exactly the same scenario playing out now. The fireworks in the metals will start in a big way in October, we think at this particular point in time. Yes, we are now approaching the buying opportunity of our lifetimes. Remember, we are not traders. We are looking at the long term. We are looking at the long-term trend. Right now, you should already be positioned in your favorite metal stocks. And if they get caught in the downdraft of the financial bear market that I'm anticipating will happen, then just average down and be bullish, and aggressively more bullish the weaker the price becomes. At that time, it will be a scramble to get on board. So start committing funds now, even as early as May. Do not worry when the panic sets in, because the panic will probably be there. You must not panic, but stand steadfast in the metals. Let me tell you, it's not easy to stand steadfast and buy when everybody else is heading for the exits. But you must stand fast and buy the metals, and especially the precious metals, gold and silver, platinum. So again, get out of the financial markets while you still can, and get positioned in the commodities, and specifically the metals, and of course the precious metals. By next year, you will thank your lucky stars that you did. Now finally, to our Mining Interactive group of companies, because when you're here listening to us, you already are interested in the commodities. And these companies that we represent, they're exactly the type of investments you should have in your portfolio. Our member companies are a diversified group of companies, both in terms of geography and in the mining projects they are working on. These companies all have something in common. They all share 3 features that we at Mining Interactive believe are essential to success of any junior company. Junior explorers in the mining business are by nature gambles. That is, they cannot look under the ground. The management, no matter how good they are, they may have hope, intelligent hope, to hit when the drill goes into the ground, but when that drill goes in there, which we call the truth machine, that is the machine that will tell us if in fact there is something there. So therefore, exploration is a gamble, and you'd want to take a lot of the gamble out of it. So the question is, how does one take the gamble out of it and pick the right risk-reward company? That is, maybe high risk, but very good rewards. First of all, you pick companies with professional management. That's number 1. With highly capable, hands-on and trustworthy management. 2, that competent management will of course pick high merit type of projects, well-researched projects that display a high potential for success. And number 3, promotion. And that's where we come in. Companies seriously committed to creating market liquidity and shareholder value. That is, management that recognizes the need for a sustained commitment to investor relations and the name branding of their company in the global investment community. That is, number 1 does, we've got management. Management identifies the projects, and number 3, and that is the 3rd pillar, is of course promotion, and that is what Mining Interactive brings to the equation. And then you have a very solid platform, and you take one of those away and the platform falls, of course.